Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Xiaomi phone setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve your Wi-Fi problem in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your Wi-Fi problem in your Xiaomi phone, so as you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve Wi-Fi network problem in our Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your Wi-Fi problem. So then guys, you can see this type of setting. So what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your connection and sharing option, this setting guys. So guys, we will have to click here. Again scroll guys, you can see your reset Wi-Fi mobile network. So guys, tap here. But first guys, you can see it's Wi-Fi setting. So I will click on Wi-Fi setting and okay reset. And then we will have to wait for 3 and 4 seconds. Setting has been reset. Then guys, you can use your Wi-Fi guys without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem in your Wi-Fi setting. So don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye my friends. Thanks for watching.